MindMed just debuted on the Nasdaq after an incredible 2-day run up into the news. The stock almost popped about 50% over the past couple of trading sessions. It's finally getting that public recognition. Now, the magic mushroom space, as some people like to call it, I like to call it the alternative medicine, I guess psychedelic space out there. They're starting to realize that treatments like mushrooms, ketamine, LSD, DMT out there are starting to finally get that mainstream recognition from big pharma that people thought you had to take a drug to see results. Now they're realizing these natural mushrooms growing out the ground can help with anxiety, depression, PTSD, trauma experiences, really mental disorders, and also a name that I just picked up, 𝗧𝗴𝘀 that has a ketamine treatment for suicide prevention and also PTSD, which in my opinion, I'm very happy and finally very, very eager to see companies go after this space out there. So with the stock, it traded from about $4 to $5 today, MindMed. I'm really looking forward to see if the stock finally picks up volume. You know, these names, yes, there's some, we'll call them oddballs in the psychedelic space, and those are usually the lower price penny stocks, which I avoid. I want to see if we start getting, Compass Pathways, another Peter Thiel-backed psychedelic space doing treatment and research overseas. That stock's pretty official. It's trading at a higher dollar amount. I want to see if MindMed finally can get that recognition, start trading like a real company. We start seeing more institutional investment, more mainstream and retail picking it up well. I just feel like it's finally such a big move for the market. And also people have thought, well, it's just going to be a boom like cannabis and a bust. Well, yes, there's going to be good actors and bad actors in the space. So you really have to do your research and know which companies are legit and which companies are just trying to make a quick dollar. And I think MindMed and Compass Pathways, they get my thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to hearing from management on these conference calls. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video.